Namaste. Dalton's law of partial pressure. Dalton's law of partial pressure states that the total pressure exerted by the mixture of non-reacting gases is equal to the sum of the partial pressure of the individual gases in the mixture. P1, P2, P3 are the pressure exerted by the mixture of gases. Okay. M1, M2, M3 are the molecular masses of the gases. N1, N2, N3 are the number of their molecules. Then V1, V2, V3 are the root mean square velocity of the molecules of the different various gases. Then P is equal to P1 plus P2 plus P3. Then P1 is equal to 1 by 3 M1 N1 by V into V1 square. P2 is equal to 1 by 3 M2 N2 divided by V into V2 square. P3 is equal to 1 by 3 M3 N3 divided by V into V3 square. Then 1 by 3 M1 N1 divided by V into V1 square plus 1 by 3 M2 N2 divided by V into V2 square plus 1 by 3 M3 N3 divided by V into V3 square. Half of M1 V1 square is equal to half of M2 V2 square is equal to half of M3 V3 square is equal to half into MV square. M1 V1 square is equal to M2 V2 square is equal to M3 V3 square is equal to MV square. Then P is equal to 1 by 3V into N1 plus N2 plus N3 into MV square is equal to 1 by 3V into N into MV square is equal to P. Thank you.